Hello, now I am going to discuss Junior English book 3 page number 5 and today's topic is nouns number. You have read it already in book 1 and book 2. Here same thing is written, singular means one, you know already, plural means more than one. So, let us start what is written later. Here singular and plural, girl, girls, book, books, class, classes, these are so easy for you. Same thing here, leaf, leaves, lily, lilies, hero, heroes. There are some rules we have to read again. See, after that it's written some nouns have vowel changes in the plural like man, men. In this place we have made man in plural number not by adding as or es. So, that is why it is written some nouns have vowel changes in the plural. So, another one here it is written tooth, teeth. Some nouns have such unusual plurals that you need to check them in your dictionary. Here see ox, oxen, child, children, louse, lice. Some nouns keep the same spelling for both singular and plural. It means they don't have any kind of change. See, deer, its plural is deer. Swine, same thing, its plural is swine. Same for salmon, its plural is salmon. Like trout, same thing will be kept for plural. And sheep is sheep, it means sheep's plural is sheep without changing anything. These nouns have no singular form. Like trousers, we cannot make it trouser, it is all time trousers. Same tongs, it will not be tongue. Like scissors, bellows, shears and tweezers. Now there are some exercises just below of it. Let's do. These are so easy. A number exercise, write the plural form for each of the singular nouns below. Follow the instructions on the left of each group. It means here it is written, see, left, in the left side it is written add only as. So, let us do it, it is so easy. First one, it is chief, so we will write like chiefs, chimney, then piano, roof, it will be roofs, just add only as. Next place, here it is written add only es. So, let us do cargo, it will be cargos, echo, echos, hero, heroes, potato, potatoes, tomato, it will be tomatoes. Next one, see, change y to I, then add es. So, let us do battery, here it will be batteries. So, write in this place BATTERIES, hobby, it will be hobbies, reply, it will be supply, will be like this. Okay. Next place, in the right hand side it is written change F to V, add ES. So, here it is half, it will be HALV. I have changed F into V and then I should add ES. Same thing, leaf, it will be leaves, loaf, it will be loaves, shelf will be shelves, wolf will be wolves. Change the vowels, it means in this place we cannot add as or yes, we have to change its vowel. Let us do foot, foot will be fit, and this one goose, it will be geese, mouse will be mice, and omen will be omen. Okay. Now we will do B number exercise. Here it is written, write the plural form of each noun. Half, it will be what? It will be halves. Hobby, it will be hobbies. Potato, it will be potatoes. Sheep, it has no change, it will be remain unchanged. So sheep. Bully, what will be here? Here it will be bullies. Tomato, it will be tomatoes. Leaf, leaf will be leaves. Chimney, chimney, what will be? We will just add with it as. Piano, piano, in this place same thing we will do, we will add only s with this. Wolf, it will be wolves. Reply, it will be RPL, this y will be I and we will add yes. Goes will be gaze. Another one is left, that is C number. Here it is written, write the singular form of each noun. So let's write fit, its singular form is foot. Heroes, it will be just hero. Loaves, it will be LOAF, loaf. Supplies, it will be what? It will be supply. Mice, this one will be mouse. Shelves will be shelf. Echoes will be echo. Woman will be like this, WOMAN, woman. Toes will be toe. Teeth, it will be tooth. Batteries will be battery. Swine, it will be remain unchanged, so swine. Hope you have understood today's topic easily. We have done today page number 5 and today's topic was nouns number. Next day we will do page number 6 and there we will find a comprehension. Today up to this, bye.